Yes, children, we have started exercise 3.3. Now, I am going to discuss exercise 3.3, question number 2, fifth part. It says a parallelogram is given in which this angle is y, this is our diagonal given, this angle is x, this angle is 112, this angle is 40 degree, and this angle is z. So we need to find the value of x, y and z. How we will calculate it? Just see. It is a parallelogram given. From it clearly we can say that these are opposite angles. So y comes out to be 112 degree, opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Now we have calculated y. So we can say that in this triangle we can use angle sum property. Y plus 40 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. We need to write angle sum property of a triangle, where it says sum of all the angles, three angles of a triangle is 180. Now y is 112. 40 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Now add this. 112 plus 40, 152. X plus 152 degree is equals to 180 degree. X comes out to be 180 degree minus 152 degree. That is, x comes out to be 28 degree. Now again, if x is 28 degree, then what will be the value of z? These are the two parallel lines. This is transversal. Alternate interior angles implies x is equals to z is equals to 28 degree. You will write here alternate interior angles. So we have calculated all the angles, y 112, x 28 and z also 28. Hope this sum is clear to everyone. Okay children, now we will discuss question number 4 with you people. The rest part of question number 2 you can do it. Question number 4, it says draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram, जो क्या है parallelogram नहीं है, but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. Now see, it is not a parallelogram but has two opposite angles equal. So what figure or what name you can remind from this? I think it is an example of kite, where adjacent sides are always conjective sides are equal, these sides, but it says it is not a parallelogram. These two angles are equal, so it is example of a kite. This is question number 4. Now we are solving question number 5. It says the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram. This is our parallelogram and the angles are in the ratio 3:2. Let the angles be 3x and 2x. Let two adjacent angles be 3x degree and 2x degree, because their measure ratio is 3:2. As we know, sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. You will write sum of adjacent angles of parallelogram. You will write the property. Their sum is 180 degree. 3x plus 2x. 5x degree is equals to 180 degree. X comes out to be 5, multiply, it will be divided on the other side. 180 upon 5. So x comes out to be 36 degree. So what will be the value of the angles? 3x is equals to 3 into 36, 108 degree. 2x is equals to 2 into 36, 72 degree. This angle 3x, so this angle will also be 3x. If this is 2x, this will be 2x. As we know, opposite angles are equal. Of parallelogram are equal. So what will be the angles? Angles will be equals to, first of all, 3x will angle 108, then 72, then also 108, then also 72. So which property we have used for a parallelogram? The adjacent angle of a parallelogram has the sum 180 degree. From here we have find the value of x, then the value of 3x and 2x because ratio is 3 and 2. Now opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. So we have find all the angles. Now in question number 6 of same exercise, it says two adjacent angles of a parallelogram has equal measure. Find all the angles. Let two adjacent angles be x degree each. Again the same property, x plus x is equals to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle. X plus x, 2x is equals to 180 degree. So x comes out to be 180 upon 2, that is equals to 90 degree. So x comes out to be 90 degree. That means adjacent angle 90 degree. But we know opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So each angle of parallelogram is 90 degree. It is similar to previous question where the ratio was 3x ratio 2. So we have find all the angles using adjacent angle property. Yes children, now we are solving question number 7. It says hope is a parallelogram with the following measurement given. We need to find the value of x, y and z. Now this is a parallelogram, these are parallel lines and this is transversal line. So clearly angle y comes out to be 40 degree. Alternate angles. Now suppose this angle is as 1. Now angle 1 comes out to be 180 minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Which property? Linear pair. C, straight line. But angle x is equals to angle 1, opposite angles of a parallelogram. So angle x comes out to be 110 degree, opposite angles of parallelogram. So what we have found? We have found the value of angle x as well as angle y. What we need to find the value of angle z. Now you can use the property in triangle POH. Y plus angle 1 plus z is equals to 180 degree y angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle says sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now put the values. Y is 40, angle 1 110, value of Z we need to find 180 degree. 40 plus 110, 150, 180 degree. So Z comes out to be 180 minus 150, that is equals to 30 degree. So all the angles we have found, Y, X and Z. Hope this is clear to everyone.